presentation an overall overview of what GDSC is, what we're going to do, what we are about, what are the perks of you joining GDSC here.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university.
Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers.
Cara berbuat aplikasi untuk bekerja bekerja.
These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technologies that can provide in our local communities.
DSC is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
So guys, I'm the current lead. My name is Vedant Rajashirke, and we have the co-lead,
Prateek.
So what is GDSC? So these are basically community groups that you can join as a student, and you get access to a huge amount of technological, you get access to the Google technologies and such as Flutter and Google Cloud, as well as Firebase, and we have an event coming up first up under Jetpack, which is going to be an Android development bootcamp for the first month. So you get peer-to-peer knowledge by learning with us and by educating your own community members as well.
So we are not a committee, we are a community. A committee is basically a group of people who are convened to accomplish some specific purpose, right? So if you join a committee, you join one core and you work in that core for that whole tenure. But in this GDSC, we are a community. And we share a common understanding and often same language, manners and tradition. But what happens here is when you join a core and you have assigned some work. So after you complete your assigned work, you can go and work in the other course also. So if you suppose you join design core, so when you work in design core and you have done the work assigned to you, you can go and help the people who are working on a technical project. If they are working on some app development, what you saw right now, so something like that. So here we are a community, not a committee.
I'll invite Deshpande sir, our convener, to share a few words.
So, very good evening to one and all. Dear friends, as they say, that more you focus on skill development, more competent the youth will be. And this is a quote from our own Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi, and we as a proud Indian should endorse on it. This is Professor Sachin Deshpande, convener GDSC, and I feel honored to be a part of this event, and I extend my warm welcome to all of you. When we initiated this GDSC club, and thanks to Pranav, he really has put a lot of efforts on that. Rightly said that this is a community, and we believe that it is a community of like-minded people passionate to create an impact in society and leverage technologies for the betterment of society. And he rightly pointed out, being in community, you enjoy the freedom of also being a part of other committees So you are also open for student council. Okay. So I happens to be a convener of student council with the Alankar Institute of Technology. So all good people, I should not say everyone here is, I believe, is having a lot of potential. So in every event what we will be conducting in as a part of this community, GDSC as well as student council, it becomes a responsibility of each of us to see to it that with full of energy we are participating and we are part of that. So well and good, I in fact take this opportunity to appreciate again Pranav and his team, and they have done really a very fantastic job because they went through a hybrid kind of a mode, and cross fingers now you Vedant hope so that will again not get into that difficult time, and you have more scope of ensuring that okay we are raising the bar by all means, and also will take this legacy forward. So thank you very much, and I believe each of one will use this opportunity to obviously sharpening your skills and contribute in the mission what we are right now talking about, making India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you very much.
I'll invite the technical leads to share their ideas.
I am Akash Singh and I am the technical lead of GDSC for this year. And for some people who don't know what GDSC is, well, GDSC is a community which helps in bridging the gap between theory and practice. It is driven with the motto of converting ideas into reality. And the technical team basically is the backbone for this community. And here in technical team, we try to find solutions to the society's problem as a whole, and with the use of technology. We are not expecting you to have that much knowledge of the technological domains, but we do want to have you to have some basic knowledge about it. So, and lastly, I just want to say that believe in your thoroughness, believe in your ideas, and believe in yourselves.
We have our, which is going to start in a month right now, Jetpack Compose Camp. Then there is Flutter Festival, then TensorFlow camps, and then there is also Google Cloud Challenge, which
that we would have competitive coding sessions daily or on daily weekly basis.
Myself, Ayush Tripathi, and I am the web lead of GDSC for this tenure, and these are my co-leads, Pooja and Atharva.
I am Pooja Shanmugaraja, the web development co-lead for this tenure. Our GDSC website is developed using React.js. So we have also implemented some advanced React as well, such as Redux, Renderer, etc. Our GDSC website is already available. So our ex-leads have done some amazing job in the front-end part. So there's no much work left there, but there's always some space for creativity.
So hello, this is Atharva Tadki, co-lead of Web Dev GDSC. So as Pooja said, our ex-leads have made some amazing, had done some amazing work in the front-end part of GDSC website. So this year we will be, our vision is to focus more on back-end part.
We are just looking for people who have the ability to figure things out.
Hello everyone. Hi, I am Roshni Verma and this is my team. GDSC VIT's media creation group is divided in 3 parts and also united in 3 parts. That is content creating, which is going to be my department, and video editing, that is going to be Satya's department, and search engine optimization and algorithms part is going to be handled by Ayush, my friend.
Hello everyone, myself Rugvet Tatkare, and I am the photo media lead, and I am.
Hello everyone, this is Pawan Adepo, photo media co-lead for year 2023. So, what is photo media? Team Photo Media is being formed to seize the moments. As you all know, we have a fabulous event organized by GDSC. So to cherish all the moments, and capture all the moments of the GDSC events. We are introducing our new team, that is Photomedia.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhavi Kadam and I'm the design co-lead of GDSC VIT of the year 22-23. I'm also a UI UX designer, a graphic designer who has done a few internships in UI UX design, and currently I'm also working as a UX researcher in a startup company.
Hello everyone, I'm Pritesh Sunavni. I'm the design lead of GDSC VIT for year 2022-23. I'm also a graphic designer and a UI UX designer. So let's move on to our design team, what we actually do. So our design team is actually the main face of GDSC, because every visual product GDSC puts out is created by the design team. For example, we also work with all other teams of GDSC. For example, we work with PR for posters, we work with media creation for social media content designing, we work with sponsorships for sponsored brochures.
Yes, we also work with the web development team. We are also a part of all the teams wherever we require some design. So if there is any requirement for design or poster, we will be the one to do it.
Yeah, so hello everyone. I know you are waiting for this one. I'm Shraddha Narwekar, Public Relations Lead, and this is my team.
My name is Shruti Roll and I'm the current co-lead for Public Relations at GDSC.
So my name is Tanay Savade and I am the Public Relations co-lead for GDSC for the tenure 22-23. So coming to the biggest question here in everyone's minds, why join PR? I mean, you got technical, you got so many other sections of GDSC. Why? I would really implore you to look within yourself. All of us have a spark, an idea, a tendency to speak. It's something that human beings have naturally. Being a part of the GDSC PR core, I mean, it's more than it being a technical background. You would be forming real friendships and bonds and connections. Something and getting an opportunity to work with every single other core in GDSC, it's an opportunity like no other. And to be very honest, at the base level, I would say PR is the glue that holds GDSC together. You will be the ones that will be holding GDSC firm as one. So, and you will be at the complete heart of it. So, I implore you, please, do give your names for the interviews, and we really hope to see you guys there. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Good evening, this is Jidnya Khanekar, lead of sponsorship and marketing team.
My name is Sohan Puna and I am the co-lead of sponsorship and marketing of GDSC.
Hi everyone, I am Shifra Dudley, the events and operations lead.
Myself, Aishwarya Jadhav. I am from 3rd year ETRS department.
So, hello everyone, this is Mansi, your events co-lead for the tenure. And I would like to tell you about certain qualities that bridges the gap between watching an event to actually delivering it with a grand success. So here we go. Here's integrity, because work ethics are the heart of any club. Then competence, to emphasize and encourage growth within and with the club. Insight, to focus and to emphasize on the quality research and showcase the points of improvisation. Dedication and effectiveness, also not the least, organization skills. To sequence out, to precisely sequence out the logical thought process. And lastly, being accountable for the decisions taken. So guys, that's it from the events and operations side. We really look forward to be working with you, and it will broaden your exposure and give you a host of career assistant paybacks.
So why you should join GDSC is basically to build soft skills, professional event management, and the potential of reach out to the most new people who are coming on the campus here. So last year we associated with many brands like CRED, GROW. This year we have CRED, GROW, and MX player, and all the other industry-based top unicorns. So basically, the perks of joining GDSCs are when we talked about Envision podcast right here. So if you are a part of GDSC core, then only you are allowed to enter the podcast room where we're going to shoot with the respected member who is going to join us for all the podcast sessions. We have one fun podcast coming up with Flutter guy. He's a Flutter developer. Also, the GDSC, when you join GDSC, your name is on the dashboard of GDSC community, dev.community.dsc@VIT. So your names will be displayed on our webpage. Also, you get Google Swag kits and certifications from Google. Also, when there are the new events 30 Days of Cloud, so if you are a part of Google core, then you get the first preference to all those events, and the people who are volunteers will be the next.
We have our main event, like one of our main events coming up as Jetpack Compose Camp. It will be organized by Google itself. It will be a month-long boot camp where you will learn Android using the Jetpack compiler. And so it will be starting on the 9th of September and it will go on till the second week of October, where you will learn the ins and outs of Android development using that compiler itself. That was the event, guys. Thank you for coming. We'll see you at the interviews.